Good morning and welcome to this guided meditation session to set yourself for a positive, relaxed, and mindful day. Let us begin by finding a comfortable sitting position in a quiet space. You may sit in any way that feels comfortable and that allows you to be at ease for the duration of this session. If you need to stretch your body now, feel free to do so. And when you have found your posture, take a few moments to simply feel and connect with your body, to be present with it. And gently close your eyes, turning your attention inwards. We are going to take a few breaths, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Inhale, feeling your lungs expand, and exhale, letting go of any tension around your body. Soften your belly, your shoulders, your jaw. Take a deep breath again, bringing in feelings of positivity to your mind. And exhale, relaxing your body further and further. After a few moments, let the breath flow naturally without trying to control it. Let it come and go on its own, in whatever way it feels natural right now. Simply notice it coming and going. Stay aware and relaxed, paying attention to the natural flow of the breath. And if your mind wanders away, gently bring it back to the breath. Good. Now see if you can soften into a deep feeling of gratitude for the body itself and for your breath. Sense your heart opening to the miracle that is your body and all the wonderful ways in which it functions. Recognize how precious and how extraordinary your breath and your body are. And fill up your mind with these feelings of positivity and joy. And then intentionally, ever so slightly, turn up the corners of your mouth into a subtle smile. And from this inner space of calm and positivity, listen to the following affirmations as if they were coming from your own internal voice. I am grateful for this new day. I feel rested and ready to start a wonderful day. I will embrace this new day fully, choosing to act in ways that support my long-term well-being. I am prepared to face any challenges that might come up today. I will stay mindful and present throughout the day. I will honor and take care of myself. I have the power to achieve anything. I am strong and positive. I am capable and kind. I will use my talents to make the world a better place. This will be a remarkable day. I am confident and prepared. I choose to show up today embodying my best self. Before we conclude this session, make a commitment to stay present during the day, knowing that you can always come back to these positive feelings by being mindful and grounding your awareness in the present moment. And whenever you feel comfortable, gently open your eyes and smile. Thank you for practicing with me, and may you have a great day.